We've already seen that the first phase is performed. We then evaluated the system and came up with the solution adopting Huawei inverters and batteries as a cost-saving solution. So here we can see the advantages of using Huawei batteries and inverters. First, it has lower self-consumption, easier initial startup, and also last but not least, it's pretty important, which is a built-in load shedding feature. We can see from the table that the energy that's been produced by the solar PV battery system, it's higher. And also it reduces around 88,000 liters per year for the fuel use and save up to $80,000 annually in OPEX cost. Huawei provides tailored solution to meet the client needs. It also has strong branding built on innovation and competitiveness, a collaborative team support, and this is pretty important one, the last one, Huawei provides ongoing training and certification, one of which is Solar Academy Indonesia, that's been done before.